Wow. Sarap yung octopus. So as you can see guys, I'm still here in Shangri-La, and I decided to stay for a while. We just finished. Wait, let me see. Okay. So we just finished our first itinerary of the day. Yun nga, kakatapos lang natin na dun sa first buffet, and nandito yun sa Shangri-La. So kasi ang ganda ng ornaments nila for Christmas. Nag-video na rin ako for before we started kasi medyo napaaga yung dating namin ng 15 minutes. So I've decided to at least take some time to take some B-rolls. Tama ba? Wait. I must say, napakarami nung selections nila. And isa to sa mga sulit na buffet dito sa Singapore. Hindi ko alam yung price. I think I should ask. Kailangan ko siguro tanungin muna yung colleague ko. Pero sobrang sulit niya na eh. Ang dami niya ng ang tawag dito, ang dami ng choices from Asians to Westerns. Even the seafood, although seafood wise, I still prefer yung sa rice, and also doon sa The Colony in the Ritz-Carlton. Pero ang sarap din dito. Hindi na masama. So yung price siguro lagay na nilagay dito. Yan. Eto siya. So yun, work muna tayo for the next 2 hours. I'll update you guys later. Bye-bye. I'm gonna introduce you to some of my friends here. Wait, I'll show you. Ta-da. Yeah. So my next stop will be Carnivore Brazilian Churrascaria. So churrasco. So Brazilian buffet. So mostly meat. So kaya dito hindi ako masyadong nag-take ng meat, as you can see on my food. I just hope na makayanan ng tiyan ko yung kainan dito. And I also don't know what to say. I'm just hoping for the best. Okay, it's 5 o'clock now guys, so pack up. Let's try this now. That was here. Dapat tayong gift. So, success na guys. Nakabili na tayo. Success. Diyan tayo sa baba niyan pupunta. Cross lang natin. Yep. Medyo madilim guys. Wala pa tayong lights. Wala pa tayong budget sa lights. So I've never been to this side of Singapore. Never been to this place. Let's see. See what I'm seeing. I've never been here. Right? I think I did, but hindi pa kami kumakain. I think dadaanan namin to. See? Ang daming kainan. I hope may taihan. So yun, yung drinks hindi siya kasama sa ah dun sa $69 na fee, pero okay naman yung prices ng drinks, hindi naman ganun kasamaan. Kasamaan. Tsaka siguro pricey lang kung order ka ng mga alcoholic drinks, but still okay. And then yung sides nila are free flow, so pwede ka kumuha unlimited, and then yung meat din is in-serve sa table, so once they go to your table, ayan, so sila na mag-replace ng meat sa table. And then yeah, so you have this. Yes, please. Kung gusto mo pa ng more meat, and then they will put more on your table, and then no, thank you pagka ayaw mo. Okay, ayaw magpahuli. Yeah, I just came back from our lunch and dinner. We just walk our way to the MRT, and we just separated there. I took my bus all the way here to my home, and yeah, I just came back. Two things before I close this video, and well, first, I just realized that I have an abundance of blessings today. That's in the form of, you know, the lunch and the dinner. Both of these are actually sponsored or paid by someone. I'm just so happy and just so glad and just grateful that you know, these things happen sometimes, you know. Second and last one is that I'm getting old. Yeah. Okay, so just to clarify on that one, during the lunch meal, the buffet, I promise you, I tried to eat a lot and I ate a lot. Okay, but I was thinking the whole time that, oh, I'm gonna be eating something for dinner, and it's also a buffet and it's all meat, so I really have to cut down from this buffet. So yeah, and then during dinner, I was surprised about myself not eating so much. You know, I tried every single meat they put on the table, but I didn't finish it all. You know, don't get me wrong, the food, the meat, it's very nice. The way they cook it, the flavor, it's all very, very tasty, delicious. But I'm very full. For some reason, I cannot finish the food. Yeah, I just realized that I didn't manage to finish what I'm going to say earlier. My video was cut along the way, so I just want to end this right by doing an outro, if that's how you call it here in YouTube. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for being with me, watching this video all throughout until you reach here, until here. So yeah, I promise I'm gonna be good. I will try to get my videos better, my editing skills better. I am watching a lot of YouTube videos now, so just to get some tips on how can I improve, how can I better give better content to everyone who's watching me. So yeah, so that's it. I just want to say thank you, and I hope you guys join me again on my next video, and I hope you how you say it, support me and support me to help my this little channel grow. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much.